Hello friends, welcome back to DevTrino, and I have already put a video about life points and how you can attend surveys and earn some money, and based on that I had completed the normal time period taken, and I collected 330 points to redeem an Amazon voucher worth rupees 300. So they sent me first this mail about order confirmation. On the same time itself they send me an order number also. If I have any dispute, I can use this order number in the customer chat, but it didn't require customer chat because I received the order. They gave me a time period of 10 to 12 days. You will receive your gift card code, and I received it within 10 to 12 days. So here you can see they sent me an Amazon voucher worth rupees 300, and they gave me an expiration period of 1 year. You can use this whenever you want within the 1 year period of time. Moreover, if you have liked this video, do like, share and subscribe, and do check out this website also, and do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive the latest notifications. Thank you.